Hi guys and dolls, Frank here. Today I have done an experiment. I have seen a cool video from Paul Gilbert on YouTube, and he presents how he creates his sound from a pedalboard and from a plexi Marshall. So I tried to recreate this sound with a Kemper, and what I've done is I've chosen 1959 SLP 100 watt plexi Marshall and merged it with my favorite cap at the moment, the Guitar Hack cap. And Paul uses channel 2 of the plexi, and he uses it clean. Sounds a little bit muffling, and but the first thing that he added is his Mojo distortion pedal, and I haven't a Mojo clone in the Kemper, so I have chosen the DS stomp from the Kemper, and it sounds like this. So next thing is he added reverb. And a delay with a short delay time. I think I've set it to 260 milliseconds with approximately 2 repeats. Yeah, you mostly hear one. So I think I came in the ballpark of his sound. Sometimes he uses also a chorus style effect, so I added the chorus, but I won't use it when playing blues, but it sounds like this with the chorus. Only an FX. So, as usual, I will present how it sounds in the mix. So I close my room mic as usual, and hope you have fun with some bluesy notes. Bye bye.